In this video, we are doing 30 days of planner commitment collaboration. We are going to have 30 different planner babes share a tip to help you stay committed to your planner. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. Subscribe to the Planner Channel to watch new videos every week about creative planning and productivity. You should be coming over from Plan with Lakin on December 16th. And after this video, make sure to watch Mom Run Craft on December 18th. To learn all about the collaboration and to see the whole list of all the planner babes involved, check out Tamra, the paper and pen girl. I will have links to all 3 of those channels in the description box. Here is my tip. Choose a planner that you like. I know it seems super obvious, but I want you to think back to the days when your planner was just black and white paper and a pencil. Was it fun or was that work? Was it something you wanted to do or something you felt like you had to do? Did you plan only if you had to plan, or did you want to plan? That's the difference between using a planner that you don't like and using a planner that you do like. So lucky for us, there are a bunch of brands out there. In the past few years, say 5 years or so, there's been a movement towards fun, creative planners. And now you can get a beautiful, decorative, creative planner, which makes planning fun, easy, enjoyable. It's just something you want to do now. So to help you choose a planner that you like, I just want you to think about 3 different things. First, choose your aesthetic. What kind of colors do you like? Do you like florals? Do you want a quote that resonates with you? Do you want a sleek planner? Think about what kind of look that you want and just go shopping and look at everything and see what you like, but choose an aesthetic. The second thing you need to decide on to choose a planner you like is the size. There are pretty much all the sizes you can think of, but if you're out and about a lot and you use a small bag, you might want a small planner. If you work at home on your desktop, you have probably more space to use a full desktop size planner. So choose your size, kind of how you're going to use it. I like a medium size planner, that's my personal preference. And if you're not sure, you might have to try a few different things until you figure out which size is best for you. The third thing that you'll have to decide to choose a planner that you like is what type of planner you want and the layout. So I prefer a customizable planner. So if you like to change things around and make it your own, you'll want something that's a disc bound or a ring bound planner. Then your layout. So your layout will be decided on either vertical or horizontal, and then there are so many variations after that. But you probably already know how your brain works. If it just makes sense to you to have vertical columns, or if you like horizontal, the horizontal is often lined so that you can write a lot. If you like to write, a horizontal is probably good for you, or a completely blank space like a bullet journal, which is just blank paper and you design your own layout. That's also really good for people who are artistic. So in finding a planner that you really like, make sure it's an aesthetic that you like, the size that you like, and a layout that works for you. If you want to know my personal recommendation, I am using and love the classic size Happy Planner, and I use several different layouts, but I like the disc bound system because it's customizable and I can use several planners for several different purposes. For example, I'll use horizontal for journaling, vertical for my daily plans, and then I can supplement with some of the other layouts like a color block or a dashboard layout for different goals or projects. Some of the channels in the collab are also doing giveaways, and I will have a giveaway. It's going to be a surprise because I'm still shopping for some goodies. I'm not sure what it will be yet, but if you want to make sure your name is in the giveaway, just leave a comment on this video. If you're new to the Planner channel, make sure you click the link in the description box to get your free Power Plan checklist, which is a checklist of the decorative and functional planning system that I use on the Planner channel. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned for Mom Run Craft, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!